Hi guys, it's Diablo from shop.airbrushed.com, and I'm just working on and just finishing the custom motorcycle cowl. This is the eye inlet part that goes over the what do you call it? The headlight fixture. Everything was airbrushed in layers. It was first drawn on there with a pencil. I drew the skeleton, just freehanded it, and then added all the layers in grayscale tones. And then on top of the grayscale, I threw a layer of sepia, and then I added orange, yellow, and then a mixture to make kind of like a Harley Davidson orange. I believe this is a Harley Davidson eye inlet cowl parts, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I just wanted to show you the finished product, and please subscribe, share my channel. Thank you, and thank you for checking out my streams, all that stuff too. I'm getting more online, so I appreciate your help, and I appreciate everything about the industry. So thanks guys, talk to you later, bye.